Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research so you guys can find products for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network and learn from other sellers, right? So with that said, here's the video for today. And start this process by picking a product that you've sold in the past, right? So for example, this one is a product that I've sold in the past. And then from here, what I would do is I would go to SellerAmp and then go under offers right there. And then I would go under sellers and I would pick a seller with, I want to say like 100 or less ratings. And that's because if someone has 100 or less ratings, they're most likely doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage like us, right? It's not going to make sense to source from products that are from wholesalers. So usually if someone has a lot of ratings, they're usually wholesalers. And of course, we're not going to source wholesale products because we're doing online arbitrage, right? So, all right, for this instance, I'm going to pick this one seller, three ratings. So this seller must be new. And the seller is also most likely doing online arbitrage, right? Or retail arbitrage. So, all right. And from here, I would start with, let's see, it's a bundle. I like picking products that have a maximum cost of at least $10. Just because it's just easier to find. Because if a product has a maximum cost of $10, it gives me enough margins to make some profits, right? So for example, this one is the product that I like. I'm going to click the Amazon product page right there, and then click on Google Shopping right there. This one's a pack of 8. So let's see if this is going to make sense. I think I found it here on Chewy.com for $4.11. Let's open this up. Let's see if it's the same product. So it looks like the same product. So chicken and veggies flavor, 6.3 ounce bag. Where's the size? 6. Okay, 6.3 ounce bag. It's a pack of 8 though. So this one is $4.11 per piece. So I would type 411 times 8 pieces. So that's $32.88, which is not going to work because the price of this product is $31, right? And it's low because Amazon's on the listing. That makes sense. Yeah, Amazon's on the listing, so yes, makes sense. Okay. Next one. So again, we're looking for products that have a maximum cost of at least $10. But a lot of these products have a maximum cost of less than 10. So I'll try this one. This one's close. So this one has a maximum cost of $7.58. This would work. Oh man. Okay, let's see. So 32 ounces. Let's see this one. 12 ounce. Figured. Yeah, this one's not going to work either. I can already tell. Yeah, it's not going to work. So I'll keep going down the list. I'll try this one. So this one has a maximum cost of 22. A little easier than the other one. So 3 what do you mean by 3 set? 3 pieces? So this one is $9.99. Let's try this one right there, Walmart. Okay, so Selsun Blue. 11 ounce, extra hydrating. Okay. Looks like the same product, right? This one is a set of 3, so it's 3 pieces. So 3 times about $8 is $24. Man, it's so low. I mean, we found the product, right? The problem is it's giving us low ROI. Yeah, this one's giving us a low ROI. This could not work. Yeah, ROI is too low for this product. But hey, we found a product though, right? We found the exact same product from the seller store. As far as the numbers, it's not really good. So this one we're going to skip. Okay, and we're going to keep it moving. Okay, let's see. So 23.34, $17 on Walmart. Not gonna work because the maximum cost is only $8.47. But here, let's just try it. So I would go to price, and I would type the max cost of $8.47. 37. Yeah, $8.47. Right here, apply. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be here. Yeah, I figured. So next product. Keep it moving. This one's a pack of 2. Interesting. This one. Okay, this one is 32 ounces. Oh, man. So this one is a pack of 2, 16 ounces, right? This one's 32 ounce. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, I'll skip this one. Next one. So 4-pack, 25 ounce. Could this be it? 25 ounce, okay. So 4-pack of this, so 11.48. This could work. Is it 4-pack? Yeah, 4-pack's not gonna work. So 11.48, right? Times 4 is about $45.92. So you plug it here, it's too low. But yeah, I hope you guys got value from the video anyway. This is how you guys look for products, right? By manually doing product research. So again, you go to a product page of a product that you sold in the past. I would go on the offers and the sellers. Pick a storefront with 100 or less ratings. Then once you do, I would go to the seller storefront and then go through that store's products, do a reverse search, and find products for your own store. So again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. That way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.